handsome.
Hello.
So,
Hey, you don't go first. I go first. I'm Ayomidate by name, popularly known as Lala.
I guess we're on the same page.
So, maybe.
You know what? I like you a lot and I want to spoil you. How about we start with 50 million?
Huh?
Is it too small?
If you tell me say you want to renew your ritual now, Olori Buruku, Ika, winch.
Calm down.
Calm down what? If you talk anything for I will shout now.
But I need to leave this place.
Leave this place. Shout on you now. No shit. This my get mind though. Hey, oh Lala. Not your girlfriend.
Please help me. Please help me.
Go die today.
When I eyes they pay me and they waiting me this.
How about we start with 50 million?
She be with your ritualist. Now ritualist she be. Yes.
Are you mad? What are you doing on my set?
Jesus!
She don't die. Soldier wife.
Lala.